Hi everyone, I'm Alvin, and for today's vlog is something different. I've been thinking a lot lately and I realize I need to change.
Cut ba? Akala ko sa...
One thing I need to focus on is being consistent. That's why I decided and challenged myself to vlog at least once a month. It's not just about creating content for me, it's more on a challenge, showing my journey on creating something I enjoy. Another change, my health. So currently, my weight is at 78 kg. During pandemic, my weight was 65, around that. 65 to 67 to 69. And it goes up to currently to 79. Goal is to go back to 70 kg. And that means more gym sessions, more healthy eating, and right mindset. It's not just about the weight, it's about being stronger and healthier. But when it comes to work naman, I think I'm currently happy to where I am now with my employer. But I also want to challenge myself to have extra or side hustle. So go out of my comfort zone. Maybe try business, not sure. Pero at least no, I want to at least do something na kinda make me financially free in the future. And I think kasama na rin dito yung the growth of my YouTube channel. Not sure if kaya ko siya i-monetize by this year. Pero it's not really my goal eh. I just want to document talaga everything. I also want to try new activities, socializing event. I'm starting now to wall climbing, and fun run. Ayun, I want to go out of my bubble, learn some new things, meet new people. Some of those changes, mapupush ka eh, and you learn new things eh. And by that, I think you learn new perspective in life then. And lastly, I want to spend more time with my family. It's not just about being physically with them. It can be through chat, pangungumusta to our loved ones, our lolas, to our friends, to our family. This year, I want to have more quality time with them also. Yeah, I just want also to balance my life with my family, my friends, my work, my activities, and all those stuff. And I think that's it for now. But watch this video, the celebration of our new year.
It's technically last day of the year.
Thinking of getting caramel matcha too. I'll get hot caramel macchiato venti.
Okay, hot caramel macchiato na 20.
Anything else?
And then one iced vanilla cold foam coffee jelly black tea.
20 size din po ba yun?
Grande lang.
Alright, or anything else?
That's all. Tapos yung coffee jelly niya, pwedeng half scoop lang.
Alright, sure.
Yeah, that's it.
Ask ko na.
Thank you.
Hello po. One moment lang po for
Okay.
drinks preparing lang.
Bye, sige.
Thank you so much for waiting po.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Ingat po.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Hey, potato. Hey, potato. Hey, potato.
Ay, naku, hirap mag-vlog. Hirap kumita ng pera. Parang nag-vlog para sa pera, no? Hi guys. I'm about to leave now, going to Quezon again, to Infanta. So, sana kayanin today. Medyo masama pa rin pakaramdam, pero mukhang kaya naman mag-drive. Gassing up for before going to Quezon. Okay na kuya. Tapos paano na lang ako, pahangin. 31 lahat. 31.
91 drunk driving, losing all intention, falling. Once I was living for the passion, now it's all missing.
Look at those clouds.
I'm speeding 91 drunk driving, losing all
I'm currently here in Sinlac Beach.
once I was living for
So, lapit na tayo. Kunting tiis na lang. Malapit na tayo sa Infanta. Oh. Ayan sila, baby. Iya. Kagaling.
Letting go of everything but you.
Let's go!
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making up Christmas memories. Oh,
Ayun, santok na.
I've been
1, 2, 3.
forget about everyone else. It's
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Yun na yun?
Ayun, sa ilalim ng ating kitin. Nagkakaroon naman ng takdan. Kisles! Ano ba na sila dito? Ana! Bebe, Merry Christmas bata!
Wala, baby! Happy New Year, baby! Aba, dapat dito. Happy New Year. Matulog tayo, nagkaingay namin. Sinila ko lang, kaya nagising. Kano kayo?
Tulog, iya mga yan.
Tulog si Isha lang. Bebe, bakit yun? Saan kayo? Dito kayo. Ay,
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Making our Christmas memories. Hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Ayun na, sumindi na. Yay! Wow! Boom! Tapos.
Isa pa!
May isa pa. Malaki. Boom. Takbo!
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I feel
Takbo!
every second
Yay!
it's a new day.
Takot na. Si Totoy.
Kaya sabi ko huwag ka matulog. Kasi binili ni Papa yun. Oh, ito ang lagyan ninyo! Labo mo! Wow! Gatlin, galing ang
December 6, 2014, bring the draft process.
Abang, galing pareho!
magaling sila. Ah, ayaw ko maniwala.
Dapat Marco.
Kayo? Pasabay.
Paano rin naman
Bago si... Sige, si Caitlyn muna. Si Caitlyn.
Happy New Year! Ano?
Happy New Year!
Yeah! Si Sabihan naman, pahaba na. Ah, ito dito. Ikaw muna, ikaw muna. Tapos na si Kitlin, ikaw naman.
Happy New Year!
Sabay! Sabay na naman.
Paano kaya ito, Pebrom? Yung
Oh, 5 seconds.
Oh, ikaw naman, Kitlin.
Happy New Year!
Mas matagal si Caitlyn. 8 seconds.
Premyo! Ah, hindi na kayo, Mickey. Okay lang, ngayon, minsan talaga natatakot.
Wow, ganda.
Siya!
Tingin labo po.
Siya!
Iyan, premium mo kay Tita Sai?
Premyo, panalo.
Parang magaling.
Si Sophia naman ang panalo kanina sa step dance. Kaya ko na sila may labubo. Okay.
Hindi na tayo, una tayo na.
Takay Totoy!
Yung ano yung kanina? Tubig doon sa... Dito na paligid si Kitlin. Alam ako ha. Ay! Nagpas. Yeah! May 1,000 ako ha! Oo!
Ay, si Tito naman, si Tito. Ay, hindi marunong. Aba, hindi rin marunong si Tito. Ayun! Nagdamsak naman pagkatapos.
Ako naman.
Yan na yun na, Katinhan.
Maglalaro sila, anak. Hindi ka pwede dito.
Ayun. Naikot lang, naikot.
Ay, kita, baby.
Bigay mo.
Alin,
Blow ng kandil.
alin.
Ayun. Las pangas ang abot, baby.
Magkano ba guys yan yun?
Wow!
Ate.
Nagdamsak na.
Hoy, saan mo nakita? Salamat.
Ganun, Katinhan. Ganun. Sige, oh. Sige, tinaw na ka. Sige, tinaw.
Salamat pala sila.
Yan. Bigay mo.
Sige. Sige, sasali ka sa mga palaro sa school lang ganun. Sige, bigla mo.
As mo.
Sige.
Sige
Isa pa.
pa. Bigla, ayun.
Isa pa.
Isa pa.
Bago. Mababa na.
Lagyan mo.
Okay.
Yan. Bigay mo.
Sige. Nasa mo.
Ayun, nakita siya pa.
Sige, go. Gulang.
Sige.
Ayun! Sayang!
Sayang! Yan, dali. Yan, madami na. Sige.
Ate tissue pa!
Tisha pa, Kitle. Sabi, ika. Dali, patawagin mo.
Doon sila alin. Hindi. Tumuhay ka. Tumuhay ka yan.
Yan, galing naman ang anak ko. Yan!
Isa pa! Ito ka si Tutoy, katalon.
Ay!
Ayan! 1,000!
Sige naman. Sige naman. Aba, ba't tuwa ka?
Baby, tissue.
Akin na, akin ko yan, akin na.
Huwag ka naman basa. Ang baby.
Oh, anak, dali.
Pag hindi mo pa nalipad, baby, punong-puno na yan, ha?
Dali, ha.
Hindi.
Sige, anak. Dali, yan.
Oh! Galing!
Isa pa. Oh! Adulas.
$1,000 pareho! Saan galing ang pera kaya?
Turok na nga.
Ayun lang, wala pa lang pera. Ikaw muna magkabuno, boss.
Wala kang tinapila.
Eh, mama.
Mas. Ang
Oh,
sabi
si mama.
Mama, panalo tayo namin sila parehas. Tig 100.
Take one, ha? Wow!
Bang, saan? Ano yun? Pang...
Pang color game. Eh, si Tutoy. Masaya din si Tutoy.
Ibaba si Totoy, ibaba.
Baba si Totoy kung kaya.
Nakatapon!
Bahala si Isha. Gusto ni Isha.
Hi, guys.
Vlog. Kaya kita ba makinamit mo?
Alin?
Makinamit mo. Ano pa ng coffee?
Tea. Naman tea. Bagay.
I was making my way across town, trying to get to you. I've been keeping my phone on no sound, facing you out, that's true. Now I get butterflies just thinking about your eyes, and that can't be all bad. Things came up, things went down, maybe turned back around. My spider sense screaming that I'm mad. A big storm blew, a hurricane running my coffee cup.
Hot ba? Akala ko sa akin lang yung hot. Babago mo. Okay na.
And that's why I
Balik tayo.
couldn't make
Okay
it
na.
today.
Balik tayo. Hindi mo gusto ko ngayon eh. Content lang to kasi kanta ko mo. Hindi na. Oo na.
I must admit to what I'd like to do.
Talaga?
So I guess I can't say how bad it rhymes playing you. So I pick up the phone, dial
Hindi ko mafukusan. Hindi ako makafocus kasi parang wala akong time mag-edit.
Things come up
Kaya po, November na yun, di ba? Dapat, hindi dapat ma-post yung tagal. Eh ngayon, wala na.
Tayo sure ng mga plaza eh. Nagkakaroon na. Kaya ako hindi sumama.
Maganda sa...
After that, kami na dapat parang pinata. Tanggap pa rin. Ate mag-hype po kayo. Saan hype po kayo? Ate mag-hype po kayo. Really mag-hype po kayo.
Kaya?
Yan!